Okay, we have got our waiting district. Come in with me. Just like you can see, our workers is welding the bulb. Normally, this machine is operated by just one person because because this machine is automatic machine. No need more people to operate. Compare with other factory, they always use manual motion, because our advantage is that the effect and uniformity is better than their products. Therefore, many customers agree with us to produce the bulbs for them. If you interest our kit bulb, our full bulb, please give us your comments on our living show. Thank you.
Is a process.
Maybe you have a question. What materials they are operate on the plate of bulb. They will welding the stylish or stainless steel. It can improve their performance. When you close or open the kit bulb or bulb bulbs, it can be used for many years.
In the process of welding, very careful of your eyes. Wear glasses. Very careful.
Yes. About the welding machine, the maximum size they can operate is 3.2 meters. Okay.